Hello and welcome to my channel Crying Fly. My name is Steve and today we will creating an animation with Fusion 360 on Linux. I use for this program Rhine and yes, so I have created a project for this one. This is a water pump and now we will animate this water pump so that we can see how it works. Okay, we change to my desktop and then we start with creating an animation with Fusion 360. So, I opening my terminal, change to my folder Fusion 360 and running this program now. So it takes a while and so I make here a little cut and then we go on with the creating an animation with Fusion 360. So now we are here on the construction workspace or design workspace, and today we will change to the simulation workspace. But before we doing this, I have created a project for this one, and now I opening this one here. Project here, pump, and here is it. And now we can see here a water pump, and what we're doing today is we will animate this water pump here so we can see later the function what this water pump doing. And yes, so here we can see a little blue ball. This blue ball is the water, and when I disable this here, then we can see here the wheel. And behind of this water pump we can also see this fan wheel here. And then I have connected this fan wheel with the wheel for the water. And after this one I have created a join. And with this option I can make a rotation movement. Like this one here. And the same one we can see it here when I disable this object here. So I repeat this movement and now we can see the fan wheel turns around. And yes, but now we will change to the animation workspace. And here we can see the new menu bar here on the top side. And we have on the bottom side also a timeline. And the next one is we will animate this rotation here of the wheels. And yes, so the first one is we will make this rotation here. I click on the front. So then we go here on the top side. There we have here some options to transform the components. Restore home, auto explode, manual explode, show and hide, appearance, create a call out, view for the camera viewing, and publish video for export this animation. Okay, so then let's start. I click on here for the components and select component 1. Here, can you see it? And then I click on transform components. Then we have here on the right side more options to configure this one here. We can change this one here or this one here, but come on, but we will make a rotation here, and so we must change this value of this Y angle here to 304, and then we can see here the rotation, or we can here also change this value. But when we click here on OK, then we have now created an animation here, because we are on the start point, and when we will make an animation, so we must change this one here, and I go to 3 seconds, okay, and when I also transforming this now here to 340 and click OK, and we can see it now that we have created an animation, our first animation here. And when we go to the start point and click here on the button, then we can see now the animation. Okay, we go to the back side, and now we can see the same rotation movement with the fan wheel. So, okay, so we can see also here this one. This is the camera animation, or camera view, and yes, but this one we will deleting every time, and this we make, and this is our last step when we have finished the movements here. And yes, so the next one is we must repeat this one here to 20 seconds, okay, and we come to the next one. Here we can see a little blue ball, and this blue ball is our water, and when our water pump starts the rotation, then comes this water into this pipeline here, and then this goes on into the water pump, and with the rotation of this wheel, this ball comes to the other pipeline here, and then we have finished this function of the water pump here. Then I make here the rotation, transform 340, and yes, so I make this one here now, and then we go on. So now we look what happens. I will delete this one here and click play. We can see it's slow and now it's fast. So, very, very beautiful. Okay. Here, also a transformation. So, I think that's okay now. And we come to the next one, where we will transform this little ball here, what our water is. Click on transform. Now we can see here this ball, and I change to this one. On. Okay. And when we're playing this one now, then we can see it. The ball comes in. And now we must repeat this one with the ball that goes here with this one and out. So then we look to this movement here. Yes, okay, it's very slow, this movement of this ball, but I changed this now. And then we go on. Yes. So then we here transform. Okay. And the last one. Delete. Delete. And play. So there we have finished this one. And the next one is we will deleting this one here. And I will change the view so we can see also the background here with the air wheel. And this one we can make with this one here. I click on 3 seconds or 5 seconds is okay. Delete this one here. Change to this side. 8 seconds. Right side. No. Come on. Come on. Hello? Hello. Yes. So. I think I make this here. So. Then we come to this one. Back. Left. And so there we are, finished with this, and now we can start the animation with a rotation of our camera. So I will go back. So that was, and now we can publish this one here. Current story or storyboards, current documentation size. So, okay. Click save. Now we can see the publish is in progress. And when I change to my folder to hit this one here, we can see here the video. So it's finished. And here we have it. So no, that was not the correct video. Wait. Where is it? Here is it. Now we have also the options to this view here with this little lamp here. When I make this one, we can see here the classes not hide. Now it's hide. And yes.
So that was for today, but
I still have one question for you. Can you tell me what type of water pump is this in my video? When you know it, then write me please a comment with the hashtag water pump type. Okay, that was. And when you liked my video, then was good when you give me a thumb up please. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Crying Fly. And don't forget when you subscribe my channel that you click it on the little bell here so you don't miss any news in the future. Okay, goodbye.